Hello, today we will guide you through how to customize your Payhip store. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to open the store builder, add content to your storefront, fine-tune your design, and save your changes with confidence. Start on your Payhip dashboard. This is the hub where you manage products, orders, and of course your storefront. At the top of the dashboard, look for the Store option. It's the gateway to everything related to your site's look and layout. Go ahead and click Store to open your store management area. From here, launch the visual editor by selecting Launch Your Store Builder. The builder is where your site comes to life. You'll typically see editing controls on the left and a live preview on the right. Think of the left side as your control panel and the right side as your instant feedback window. Any changes you make will update in real time, so you can see exactly what your customers will experience. To start shaping your homepage, click Add Section. This lets you place content blocks like a hero banner, a product grid, featured collections, or an About section. Choose sections that highlight your best offerings and make navigation simple. As you add content, keep your messaging concise and your visuals consistent. Clear headlines, short descriptions, and high-quality images go a long way toward building trust. Once you've placed a few sections, move into styling. In the builder, you can edit the look and feel of each section while watching the live preview on the right. Adjust headings, body text, colors, and spacing to match your brand. Aim for strong contrast between text and background for readability, and use a limited color palette to keep your storefront cohesive. If you use images, keep them optimized so pages load quickly. For a broader site-wide refresh, click Change Store Style. This is where you set global styles like your color theme, font pairings, and button designs. Pick fonts that are easy to read and limit yourself to one or two complementary styles. Set link and button colors that stand out without clashing, and confirm that text remains legible against any background images or gradients. When you're happy with your layout and style, click Save. Give the preview a quick scan to confirm everything looks right, then save again after any final tweaks to ensure your changes are stored. That's it. Your Payhip store is customized and ready to make a great first impression. Thanks for following along, and enjoy building a storefront that reflects your brand perfectly.